my gosh.
Look, Mom, no hands.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be eaten. Look at this. We're moving, but she's not driving.
It's a miracle.
Wow. And Debbie's just Debbie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's coming to. Ah!
It's gonna get cold. Yes.
Ah!
I totally get your stare.
Ah! 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 Things keep moving. Ew, that's gross looking. That's like,
It's like a rainbow.
That's cool.
It's like a rainbow.
It looks like sherbet. It's like blue and yellow. Yeah, it's the ice cream wash. Woo! Hosted by the ice cream man.
Look, Mom, no hands. Look, Mom, no hands. Nice.
But you need hands to eat ice cream. No, no.
I can use my tongue. That sounds kind of weird.
I use my tongue.
Don't judge everybody.
Aw, now it's raining. I want to wind down my window so badly.
Casey didn't say anything about you not winding down.
Yeah, I know.
Just sat there like, okay, whatever, the closest we are.
That's okay, I'll just make her clean up my car. No. I'm too lazy to clean, so yeah. Now we are being power air dried. I can feel the pressure from it. That's really cool.
Really?
Those are the little water droplets. Look at them. They're moving. They're moving really fast. Oh my gosh. And Debbie still just exists. Hey, there's a car behind us.
And their shirts.
Yes. And that was our experience in washing the car. It looks pretty.
Yes.